knew it was coming. Woo-wee! Guess what? It got cold. We hit winter. Oh my gosh. Look at the icicles on my awning. Yeah, it's cold. We got about 3 inches of snow here today on the first snowfall here in the area in Alton, Illinois. I knew it was coming. I was actually looking forward to it, to be honest with you. I even put the bike in the shop, the motorcycle. So, oh man, it's a little cold all of a sudden. Currently 18 degrees, and we are having some freezing. So we got a little ice skating rink behind the RV here. Yeah, it's a good 4 inches today. So when it starts snowing, it snows. We did good. We did good. Yeah, I do have my AMC list still, stub thing. So for movies, thinking about going out seeing a movie tonight. Terminator here in Alton. So yeah, the roads aren't bad. People are going a lot slower than they usually go on this road, but it's not quite icy. It's still kind of slushy out there. Overnight tonight, it's probably going to be pretty darn icy and treacherous out there on the roads. So, yeah, I found snow. There Hims is. I was looking for you. Yeah? You're hiding. How come you hides? No? You don't know? Well, you're wrong. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey! Oh, you know, that's my buddy Sean. He's messing with me. You got jokes, huh? All right, kamikaze. Yeah, I had to leave the shop after all. I flat out ran out of propane. I gotta dump the tanks. So what I did was I ran the generator this morning, and I put that little heater in there to heat up my black and gray tank so that I don't have frozen crap that I'm trying to empty. So the roads are pretty much just wet and no ice, although it is 21 degrees right now still. This will all pass. A couple days, all this will melt. Temperatures will go back to above freezing for daytime highs, and we'll be okay. There's a Flying J down here that is a good RV spot for everything. Propane, water. There's a paid dump station down here, so. Oh, and I need gas, because I might have to run the generator. It's cold, man. Some tricky stuff. This morning, I did have no water this morning. Granted, it was a low of 9, and it said feels like -4 here in Illinois. But the tanks didn't freeze, like my water tank didn't freeze. The actual water pump on the driver's side, where it's not an enclosed area, the water pump froze. So it will eventually thaw out and be okay. Right now, I still don't have any running water. So we're gonna go back to filling up a tank of water and keeping that in the RV for the next couple weeks. Hey, it's different, right, guys? I'm not in the desert. Just saying. I think I understand why people in Illinois that have RVs store them, winterize them, or why everybody's in the desert right now. It's tricky. It's not impossible, but I was getting ready to dump the tanks here. Okay, went inside here. I'm gonna keep this closed actually. So real quick, I'll show you. The valves are frozen. So I got my little portable heater in there because they have a power outlet right here. And I'm gonna sit here for about an hour until I warm up and thaw my crap tanks and valves. And then I get some propane over here, top off the gas. It's different, man. It's a different way of RVing for sure. Is it good or bad? It's both. It's exciting. Oh my gosh. Can't dump here. I did get my valve thawed eventually, went to pull it, and something is frozen or clogged in their sewer system. I think their poop is frozen underground. Lovely, right? Also, this Flying J here no longer services RVs. They do not fill RVs. They don't even have the tool for it anymore. They only fill tanks. They also don't sell tanks here. Oh my gosh. Here we go again. It's like flashbacks to the loneliest road in Nevada. So I've got to make calls. I may even have to go over into Missouri to physically dump my tanks and find propane. I'm totally out. Hope you're warm and toasty in your RV or house, guys. I'm gonna fix it though. Getting gas right now for $2.49 a gallon here in Illinois. A little more expensive up here in north, but you know, that way I can at least in a ditch run the generator nonstop with ceramic heaters. That's why I have multiple ways to do it. This too shall pass eventually. Big thanks to Coleman Campers here. They're gonna fill up Miranda all the way up. Woo! 19.1 gallons my tank holds when it's totally empty. Cost $66 to fill it up because it's $3.25 a gallon here. Little tip for you if you're in your RV and you ever run your propane completely dry, that means there's no propane in the lines. The next time you fill it up, before you turn your furnace on or anything else, fire up the stove here until gas is in the propane lines again, because remember, you emptied it. So do that, and that way you're not gonna have problems with your water heater or your furnace or your fridge on gas. And good morning, everybody, from East Alton, Illinois. It is a cold day, but this is one of the warmest high temperature days of the last few days. So gonna take the old bike out with a friend here, TJ. We're gonna go ride up to Pere Marquette and check out the area up there, north of here. The shop's closed today, Modified Auto, but I do have some work for both the RV and the bike while I'm here sometime around Thanksgiving, although this is a really busy time for them. They're doing a lot of remote starts, alarms, stereos, all sorts of stuff. So anyway, I'll take you guys along. We'll go have some fun on the bike. That first place we stopped was Grafton out there. That I was told that flag, that American flag that's out there, that is the largest American flag east of the Mississippi River. And it is kind of nice to be back on the Great River Road, and a little bit of Route 66 is nearby too. But this is Pere Marquette State Park, and it is so pretty with all the changing colors. Some of the people around here have said that they didn't get an autumn or a fall. It just went from hot to the leaves were gone on all the trees. But up here, it's a little slower. It's nice. Look at those crunchy leaf colors in there. Wow. Let's see here. Yep. It's still autumn in Illinois for sure. But also kind of cold, kind of chilly. I do see a lot of weird plants sometimes. These trees have something unique falling off them. See those round things up there? There's one over there. There's one right there. They are very weird, and they're kind of heavy. I don't know exactly what they are, but I know they are falling from the trees, and I don't feel like eating it. You guys go right ahead. What is this? If you know, tell me in the comments below. And a bunch more over here too. Huh. Very strange. Look at all those yellow leaves. It's just painted the whole hillside. Usually that would just be a dark color. Instead, it's yellow everywhere. Can you guys see the deer? Right there, hiding behind the trees over there. He thinks we don't see him. He's being stealth. He's looking at us. There he goes, prancing off. Let's go check out Eagle's Roost Scenic Overlook over here. So if we look at the overlook here, the biggest body of water, it's way out there, is the Swan Lake. It's meeting up with the Illinois River right there. What a view, though. What a nice day. Well, we're hungry. We're gonna try the hog pit. A lot of motorcycles here. And the last time I was here, a couple years ago, I was the only person here. It looks like everybody's looking for one last chance of good weather in Illinois, because this place is bumping. So we actually missed the barbecue competition here earlier today. Didn't even know it was going on. But oh well, ordered a hog dog. Yeah, TJ and I are gonna eat here at Hog Dog. Look at that dog. Full of pulled pork. Oh man. Had a good ride the other day with TJ out here, even though it was a little cold. No, but it was fun. And like I said, the snow can melt really fast here this time of year, as long as it's sunny. I don't have running water yet. Everything's still kind of frozen underneath, and more about that later. But right now, it's been a major development. This morning on my video, somebody posted and said, "Eric, your brand new 2019 MacBook is outdated already." And I thought it was a joke. Went to apple.com, and right there on the first page of Apple is the other brand new 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro that's thicker with better cooling, and they finally got rid of the dreaded butterfly keyboard. They are back to the more traditional style scissor tap keyboard in the brand new MacBook Pro. Same exact price, you can build it to the same exact specs. I called Apple to tell them how upset I was that they didn't let me know when I ordered it that they had another one coming out that was going to fix all the problems. So, but here's the thing. Apple has a 14-day, basically a no questions asked return policy. And I said, oh, I made my order on this date. And then they said, well, no, it doesn't start until you picked it up at the Apple store that day. And I went, wait a minute, we might be kind of close. And so she looked back in my file and found out that I purchased this MacBook 14 days ago, today. And I said, how do I do it? I am going to drive into St. Louis and go to the Apple store in St. Louis. I'm going to return my MacBook officially and find out what it's going to take to build the same specs on the newest version. Then obviously there's going to be a waiting period. However, if you're watching this video right now, then I have made everything work with the editing process on my old MacBook that's broken. Still technically functional, but my broken MacBook, 2015 model. So, you know, and this is just so that I know I have the latest and greatest and most reliable. I mean, this is a big investment. This is nearly a $5,000 work computer. Might as well get the best. And it's going to be a little bit of a hassle and a little bit of a wait. But worth it, right? So I'm just backing up my computer, and as you can see, the roads are still pretty clear out here. You know, A little bit of snow on some people's yard, but we'll be okay. I'll get back with you and let you know what they say and how it all went, but it's never very exciting when you're driving into the big city, so let me get this out of the way. All right, doing the exchange here. There's mine. We are ordering the new one. It's going to be here at the shop in 7 days, and it cost $100 cheaper for the same specs put on the new one, so getting her done here. Ran into some trickiness. Should share it in case you're interested. I was told by Apple over the phone that we could do the exchange there in the store, and that didn't work. I felt like they were really just trying to make it so I couldn't do it, even though I was allowed to do it, because I'm within that no questions asked time frame of 14 days, you know? Then they said, well, there's a workaround. We're going to refund you this and put it on a gift card. And for some reason, their system's down. It just kept saying, no, it wouldn't put it on a gift card. So my only option in the end there was to return the MacBook Pro, and they're going to put the $4,700 back on my card in 3 to 5 days. And then I will physically have the money back to order the new one, and hopefully the shipping window doesn't change, or the stock doesn't change. Well, it doesn't really matter, because it's kind of a custom-built Mac with all the extras I need. But, you know, I'm here through Thanksgiving, so no biggie. I'll just keep waiting. They did have a Disney store in there, so I found something I had to have, of course. It's cold. Let's get back in the RV and warm up with Jax. Other than that, the massive cold streak and the frozen plumbing and everything is just something new. We'll get around this. It's tricky. Tomorrow, I am going to put my 200-watt heater in the passenger side compartment and my other heater, ceramic heater, in the side that has the water pump, because I think the water pump itself, not the lines, but the water pump, which is exterior to the RV, is frozen. I'm going to thaw everything out and give all this another shot tomorrow. Just be patient with me, because like I said, I have a crummy computer that I'm making work for right now, and hanging out with friends and having a good time, enjoying the cold. Till then, Jax and I will see you guys later. Take care, guys. Be warm. Enjoy your hot apple cider as I will. Bye, guys. Pathetic, Jax. Just pathetic. I can has. Hey, wait. One of your subscribers sent you something. Hang on, McGinnis. You probably couldn't use that. There's probably nothing you could do with that, right? I'll just take it over here, because you probably don't want it, right? No, I'll just set it down right here, because you probably don't want that. Oh, did you? Oh, you like that one? I know, but it's still alive. Oh, is it tasty? Did you want to give it to me? If you don't want it, I'll take. Oh, okay. You can just have it. Okay. Sorry.